Hello and welcome. Today we'll see how to download and install STATA from their official site for free. So let's begin. We'll go to our browser and then we'll type stata.com/customer service slash STATA evaluation. So this will directly take us to the official site from where we can fill out a form and then get the official data. We can see that we have already landed on the STATA official site from where we can fill out this form and get the official STATA. So now we will one by one type our things here, name, and then the last name here. We have to fill out all these things, give your organization. I will keep mine. Department. I'm selecting biology for this, and then type your email address. I'll keep this one. You have to give your phone number also, the active phone number, and then you can give your address line 1 and 2. I'll give it Dhaka. You can give the address line 1 and 2 also. I'll keep this one Kilkhet. You have to give yours. I'll type the city to Dhaka as well. State Dhaka. Zip code 1229. You have to give yours here, and my country is Bangladesh. Which best describes you? I will give okay, master student, doctoral student, academic staff, academic instructor. I will skip the affiliation verification. If you want, you can give it. And purpose of evaluation, I want to do survey analysis, survey data. We can also choose data management, whichever you like. I will just select these two for now. You can keep others if you have in mind. Then once it okay, I am not a robot, verify it, and then click on submit. So this will be submitted, and they will take few minutes, even days, to give you a response. After that, from that response, you will be able to download and install this data. So once they give you a response, the response will be like this: short-term data license for students. You can see they have replied, and they will give you a link for downloading this data, and they will also give you a username and a password. From using it, you can log into your STATA. Then click on the download option, and you will be able to see this kind of form. I will give my username, which I have found in the email. You have to give yours here. I will paste the username and the password from here. And we have to keep the serial number as well. So let's see where is the serial number. So there is a file in the attached, and there you will see the serial number as well. Copy this serial number. We can also see a code here and authorization. So now we'll copy just the serial number and go there, and we'll paste the serial number as well and click login. So I'll save these informations. I'll give my names and the field which I have given biology, and I will give my country Bangladesh, about me, academy faculty, and company organization, Asia University. After that, and we can also say I would like to receive the following emails. For now, I don't. I agree to the terms and recommendations, and then I will press the login. So we can see the download options in different operating systems. We can also see the Windows 64. We can see the option for the Mac. We can also see the option for the Linux as well. Since I am using Windows, I will be clicking on the Windows 64-bit. I can also see the download option from here. I will click on the download, and we can see that our STATA is being downloaded, and it may take some time since it is 804 MB in size. So we will wait until it gets downloaded. So we can see that our STATA setup has been downloaded, and we will go to the folder where it is downloaded and double click on it to install it. So it says, do you want to allow this app? We'll click on yes, and it is installing via the install shield wizard, and it is STATA 19. We can see it is the latest version of the STATA, preparing to install, and we can see the STATA window. We'll click on next. We'll accept the terms of the license agreement. We'll go to the next again. We can see the username, organization. We'll allow everything. Anyone who use this computer, okay. We will select STATA AC. One thing you need to be careful here, you have to see from the PDF file which version they are allowing you to use it. It is STATA AC 19.5. So we will select the AC version from our installation, STATA AC. If you mess up this thing, then you will won't be able to open this STATA. Next, we'll click on next again. We'll leave it as it is. Next, install. And it is installing, and we will wait until it gets successfully installed. It is copying the new files. It is taking time, and we can see that our STATA has been successfully installed, and we'll click on finish. So our STATA software is successfully installed, and what we'll do now, we'll open the STATA. We will search by typing STATA. We can see that STATA now 19 AC is here. We will click on it. We will run it by clicking yes. So at first it is it wants us to fill out this form, our name, organization, serial number. We will type the name. We'll give the information what we have given in our filling forms at the very beginning. We have to give our serial number as well, which we have seen in our Word file from the email. We will go to the email and open the status file that they have given us, and we will paste the serial number here. We have also got a code from them. You can see we have also got a large code number. We will copy it also and then paste in the form. And the authorization, we can also see the authorization code here in the PDF, and we'll also paste it. And the form is fill up. Then we can see import new license codes. No need, since we have also already fill up everything. We'll go to the next, register STATA online. We'll, and I can see this data has been opened. Another important trick is that once your trial days are over, you can always try with another email address or another device. So that's how you can get a free trial version of the official STATA and complete your project. Thank you.